approaching the space transition gate!
It's really exciting.
Look! There's Mars!
The space station floats.
Look! That's our national flag!
Yes.
Wow! That's a spectacular sight! Wow! Look! That's the eye of Jupiter!
Be careful.
Oh my goodness!
Succeed. The coordinates were offset. And
Is that the sun?
this is a sun-like star.
Oh my goodness! Whereas a black hole!
Damn it. Has
We're
also
out of
malfunctioned.
control! Sit down
Be
quickly!
careful. Approaching the annual nebula. Star collisions can lead to powerful cosmic storms.
We are caught in a storm! Sit still! Let's explore this planet!
Alright, let's go.
Wow! Look at how magnificent this waterfall is!
You can
Look! It's Phoenix!
keep up with it.
Course.
We seem to have come to a fairy tale world.
Where is this?
This is the dust layer of singularity.